Web application development. Web application development is the process of creating application programs that reside on remote servers and are delivered to users' devices over the internet. Unlike traditional desktop applications, which are launched by your operating system, web apps must be accessed through a web browser. Key components. 1. Front-end development. HTML, hypertext markup language, structures the content on the web page, e.g., paragraphs, headings, images, links. CSS, cascading style sheets, styles the web content with fonts, colors, layouts, and more. JavaScript adds interactivity to web pages, e.g., form validations, animations, dynamic content updates. 2. Backend development, server, handles requests from the client, user's browser, and sends back the appropriate response. Database, stores and manages data used by the web application. Server-side languages, such as PHP, Python, Ruby, Node.js, and Java. They process the business logic and interact with the database. Development process. 1. Planning. Define the scope, goals, and requirements of the application. 2. Design. Create wireframes and mock-ups to visualize the application's layout and user interface. 3. Development. Write the code for the front end and back end and integrate with databases. 4. Testing. Identify and fix bugs and ensure the application works as expected across different devices and browsers. 5. Deployment. Launch the application on a web server for users to access. 6. Maintenance. Continuously update and improve the application based on user feedback and changing requirements. Related technologies and concepts. 1. Frameworks and libraries. Frontend, React, Angular, Vue.js, JavaScript frameworks, libraries to build dynamic user interfaces. Backend, Express.js, Node.js, Django, Python, Ruby on Rails, Ruby, Spring, Java. 2. APIs, application programming interfaces, allow different software systems to communicate with each other. Web APIs can be used to access data or services, e.g., weather data, payment processing. 3. Version control systems. Git tracks changes to the code and allows multiple developers to collaborate. 4. Hosting and cloud services. AWS, Amazon Web Services, Google Cloud, Microsoft Azure, platforms to host web applications and provide various cloud services. 5. Responsive design ensures that web applications work well on various devices, desktops, tablets, smartphones, by using flexible layouts and CSS media queries. 6. Security implementing measures to protect the application from threats such as SQL injection, cross-site scripting, XSS, and data breaches. Conclusion. Web application development combines various technologies and practices to create functional, interactive, and secure applications accessible via the internet. It involves a collaborative effort between front-end and back-end developers, designers, testers, and other stakeholders to build applications that meet users' needs and provide a seamless experience.